I want to show everybody my Plugfones. So, I don't know about you, but I've struggled for years to find the right earplugs, combination headphones, stuff to wear under my helmet while I'm riding a motorcycle. It's just, I've had everything from West Tones with custom molded earpieces to decibels, which were like this another custom molded thing, whatever. Everything stuck out way too far. So then, you know, I saw somebody talking about these. I just want to say this is the best $15 I've ever spent. They work just like regular old earplugs. I'd say the sound isolation's pretty close. Not great, but really good. They don't quite go all the way in your ear because there's the speaker itself, the earphone itself, has a ridge that keeps it from going in. But when they go in, this one's already set. This one's almost there. Probably already talking funny. But the big problem I've had with these is the transmission. It's just terrible. I found a trick. Take them like this, put them over the top of your ears, and it goes away. So once you got them in your ears, they're pretty secure. They stay in there. The rye helmet, pretty tight. Always just pulled them off. I'm not even going to do anything. Still there. Perfect. Still there. Almost took them out, but they're still doing isolation. I really like. So, recommend it.